Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a middleware to verify the JSON Web Token. For that middleware to work we need to install JSON Web Token dependency, which I have already done. You have to install that dependency from npm. And then create a file for the middleware. Then create a function which would verify the token and set the decoded value to request object's user property, which we can use later. We are using a custom error handler middleware, that's why we are using the next function to pass the error. We can use this middleware to verify the token before the user accesses any root, hence preventing unwanted access to root. And as we have set the request user while verifying the token, so we can access that decoded value over here. Now let's test our middleware.